this part we're gonna add some basic bubbles, nothing fancy, just your ordinary spheres. We can add some bubbles to it, or just make a pre-render of the whole thing. Let's make some temporary bubbles, and then we're gonna make some render test. So we're gonna need VDB from polygons, decrease the voxel size, can decrease it even more, then create VDB with shape SDF, erode the shape a bit, and then VDB convert it from SDF to fog, VDB class, convert from SDF to fog, and then use the sketcher mode. Sketcher, then just copy the points, sphere, create some attribute for p-scale, set some arbitrary value, 0.1, too big, polygon, attribute, adjust float, multiply, attribute name is already set to p-scale, then we change the operation to multiply, and pattern random. Oh, it looks a bit better. And then we merge these two together, and we have our shape with the bubbles inside. Nice. The only thing we should fix right now is that we have to reverse the normals. Because the bubbles are empty inside, so this is how it should work. Okay.